We are at Craters of the Moon National Monument today. We're just stopped here by some lava rock. But we're going to be doing a lot of exploring today, checking out some lava rocks, some cinder cones, some craters, and even some lava tube caves. So it's going to be super fun, and we're really excited to go explore. All right, we're at our first stop of the day besides the visitor center. We're at Devil's Orchard, and this is gonna be a pretty cool trail. It's gonna be really easy, it's nice. We've got a sidewalk the whole way. It's only half a mile long, and it's basically just gonna do this little loop around. So this is gonna be a cool start to the day. Looks like we've got some lichen growing on these lava rocks here. You kind of see it, all the green stuff, green and yellow there. It's pretty cool.
So these spots on the tree where the branches are just crazy knots is called witch's broom, and it grows like that when there's a surplus of food that overstimulates the branch. That's super cool.
Oh yeah, there's one of these.
All right, we are back at the parking lot. So that was a real short loop. Pretty cool though, fun stop. Cool seeing the lava rock and reading some of the plaques with information on them. On to our next spot.
Okay, so I've been wondering what these little white plants are. It looks like they're called dwarf buckwheat, and they call it the cinder garden.
All right, so we're at our next stop, the Infernal cone. It's just right here, a quarter mile up that hill. From the top, it's supposed to be a really good view. You can see other cinder cones as well. We're at the top. All right, check out, we've got a pretty good view from up here. Look at that. You can see out this way some of the other cinder cones and buttes. And you can see over here the spatter cones and snow cone. I think that's where we're going next. This is really a good view up here. It's hard to capture it on camera, but it's really cool. Got this cool rock. It's all red, and you can see all the different lines in it, red and orange, just compared to like all the black lava rock here. We're headed back down, and our next stop's going to be right over there. All right, so these two cones right here are the spatter cones, and this one's the snow cone. So we're gonna go check that one out first. All right guys, this is really cool. Check out, this is the snow cone, and you can just look all the way down into it. Zoe, what do you think of the volcano?
I can see in that hole.
Yeah, this is super cool. Look at these little pockets, these little holes. This is so cool. There's just like the shape of all these rocks are really cool. All right, so that sign back there, the parking lot said that if we go a quarter mile this way on the North Crater Trail, we should be able to see some of the bigger craters. So we're just gonna go this way real quick, check that out. All right, check it out, we made it. This is a lot bigger of a crater. Oh man, this This is really cool. So here's one of the craters. There's another one right on the other side. And these are considered the big craters here that you can see. So yeah, it's just a short little walk up from the spatter cones. How was it?
It was awesome. Was it good?
Zoe liked it too. She's really into volcanoes recently, so this is really cool for her.
Look how cool that looks. This wall of rock in front of us once held back a whole lake of lava. It leaked through cracks and then flowed down this way.
All right, we're at our next stop. We're at the parking area for the tree molds trail. And this is also the same parking area for the wilderness trail and the broken loop trail. So we're gonna be doing the tree molds trail next, which is, there were trees, lava came, formed around the trees, left holes where their trunks were. So pretty cool to see. Check out this crater. It's pretty big. Zoe got tired, so she's riding on Mom's shoulders like this. I offered her mine, but she didn't want to ride on my shoulders. All right, we made it to the first tree mold right here. Basically, it looks like just a hole here, but you can see down at the bottom the shape of, you know, the trunk of the tree. Pretty deep down there. That's pretty cool. These little posts here marking them. Looks like there's a couple more that way. We're gonna go look at some more. All right, you can see another one here. This one's from a tree that was falling down, laying on the ground. So it's this little trough looking thing. So that's pretty cool. There's a second one right here. So you can see where the tree would have fallen over here, and then the lava went around the trunk and cooled off as the water evaporated out of the tree, and then ends up with this this mold of the tree. Look at the texture of this right here. That's really cool. You can see like the bark texture on it. What do you guys think?
Cool. I like that you can see both kinds here, the vertical ones and the horizontal ones.
This is cool. The trail just kind of ends out here, and there's this big lava fields. Just go really far. Zoe's liking it.
I like it.
Yeah, she likes climbing over the rocks. So it looks like they just have the two tree molds that we can see marked. So we're gonna look around, see if we can find any other ones out here. This is a really cool spot here. You can see where the rock has been flipped up. So it was like this, and it's been broken up like this. And you can see inside of it, you can see the different colors. It's kind of like an orange color, which is really cool. This stuff right here looks almost purple, like blue and purple. All right, that was pretty cool. We're gonna head back out, and our next stop's gonna be the caves. All right, so Zoe fell asleep on the way back to the car from the tree molds hike. Well, she's sleeping still right now. I'm gonna go check out the dewdrop cave real quick, and then once she wakes up, we're gonna go through the Indian tunnel. So, all right, so I just got here at Dewdrop Cave, and you can actually go down this way, or you can go down this other way as well. We'll go down this way first and see what it looks like. All right, so this way didn't really go down very far. It's a pretty small area. It's kind of cool. You can see there's a little bit of shiny stuff down here in the rocks. Now the whole ton to see on this side. I'm gonna go check out the other side and see if you can go further that way. Hopefully we can. So we got this little window we got here, and that's where we're going. All right, this side doesn't go very far either. Looks like we're just right here at the end already. I know they've got some better caves here, some that are closed right now, that you can go in further and crawl through some cool spots. But since they're closed, we can't do that today. But I'm gonna go check out Indian Tunnel next with Haley and Zoe. That one's a lot cooler. It's a bigger tunnel. You can walk all the way through. So this is one of the openings to the Indian Tunnel. They've got some stairs going down right up there that we're gonna go down, but you can then come this way, or the longer direction is to go that way. So let's go see it. All right, so this is a pretty good map of what we're doing. We're gonna go down the stairs here, and you can go back this way a little bit, but then you can go up and down over these. They have a few sky holes, but you come all the way out here, and then we hike back on the outside. So. Okay, so we got some knee pads for Zoe in case she trips in here on these loose rocks. But while he's putting those on, I'm gonna come check out this way. Let's just short this way real quick.
It's called a skylight, and it can light up, and that is dark. It's cute, and I like it. We just came through there, and we are going to be going up that way. Going through another tunnel section and then out that way.
This is definitely the reason we brought this helmet. Look at her head.
All right, we crawled in this little hole here, Zoe and I, and it's pretty cool. Check out the ceiling here. It's pretty, got some really cool texture on it. But it doesn't go too far, but it goes back there a little bit and then it ends. So yeah, it's a cool little spot if you like crawling around. The main tunnel is just right up over there. All right, this is the hole we just crawled out of. Check this out. This section was really cool. And I think that might have been our last little spot. Looks like we're all the way out of the tunnel now. That was awesome. That was a really cool tunnel. Lots of sky holes. You probably don't need a headlamp if you want to just go through the main section. There are some spots that if you want to explore further, you'd want one, but.
Okay, so now we just follow the markers. That one and that one. Back to the main path. We found a tiny secret tunnel. You did it!
Look at how cool this is. It's just like this huge like shell. It's like curved up here. It's like shaped like a wave. Tons of cool rock formations here. All right, we found another small tunnel to crawl through. But look what they're gonna be crawling out of here. Nice job, high five. Yeah. All right, here she comes. Ooh, even the backpack fits barely.
I made it.
Nice, that's awesome. So yeah, there's like several of those just right through here. So if you want to crawl through some small tunnels, looks like here's another one right over here. This is really cool. All right, that was our last stop. This was an awesome day. The cinder cones were really cool. The lava tube was really cool. Everything was pretty great. We're gonna make a quick stop on our way home at a nearby hot springs. We're gonna make a video there as well, so keep an eye out for that one coming out. But yeah, it's been a great day, and I would definitely recommend Craters of the Moon.